The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for East Central St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, West Central Hancock.
What in God's name? Tornado warning!
8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m.
Yes.
Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
Bro, we just got a tornado warning! What in God's name?
Moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard.
Hold on,
tornado.
I'm tuning the PBS.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged
my
or
God.
destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain.
Here goes the TV relay! TV's relaying! I repeat.
Parish in southeastern Louisiana and west central Hancock counties. This includes Interstate 10 in Mississippi near mile marker 3. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: St. Tammany, Louisiana, and Hancock, Mississippi. Source, radar indicated. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught. What?